They found out that Hloso wanted to leave her for Umadlomo in a counseling session with Dr. Mike, just after telling Hloso's mom that she wants to take care of Hloso herself. Orchid bailed out on the guys and said that he doesn't want to be part of moving a dead body. So Ntutuko and Potsiso did it themselves. Now Ntutuko is feeling bad. Now they even forgot there's a CCTV footage. Now Ntutuko is looking for him. Divet has now been put back into his father's will, and Tiri is so excited. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Odintle is insisting on taking care of Hloso, regardless of Umamqadi, Hloso's mom insisting that she wants to take him home so that because Hloso is just sitting there like a cabbage. Akakhulumi, he's just lying in bed. He's not talking, not doing anything. So Hloso believes that he needs to go back home. Odintle thinks counseling is going to help because Hloso is depressed. It started when he found out that Umadlomo is pregnant with Mthuzi's baby. Umamncadi decided to say that she was shocked to find out Umadlomo is pregnant. She's just moved on just like that. Kanjani when her son has also moved on, Odintle? Yo, hypocrite. Odintle goes to a counseling session with Dr. Mike and finds out that Hloso wanted to leave her and go back to Madlomo. Hloso brought Madlomo to his counseling session, ambushed her. Jade was chaotic. Dr. Mike is like, how I thought you knew, but you guys said because you spoke about this. It's news to her because Hloso did not say anything to her about this. They just said they spoke about Madlomo. Odintle was so disappointed. I don't understand. Yay. Hloso right. He wanted to go back to Madlomo. He's so frustrated that he even went as far as kidnapping Madlomo. Dintle now realizes good high. Lente can Hloso ayikole. And then the boys get a level up. They're confused because now they need to move Umzimba Mpumi. Orchid bails out on them, saying he does not want to be part of moving a dead body. And I didn't sign up for this. I'm sorry. Not to Zokal Orchid, but he's the one that brought the pills. Jiggy, Orchid runs away. Pass Orchid, now it's just Potsotso and Tutugo. Potsotso goes out to find a big suitcase so they can put Mpumi in there. He comes back in a suitcase. Mpumi. Now how do they take her out? But still thinks, oh, okay, now I can just push the suitcase out because I'm always helping guests. Tutugo will leave using the back entrance like they did when they were coming in. Potsotso is now moving the bag. Ntswalo sees him. Who's taking out, blah blah blah. But Potsotso managed to lie to her, and they moved the suitcase to the car and went to dump her. Mpumi where Bonya Upewa Dulang, like he said, that is going to dump her where addicts overdose. Now Untutuko was so worried, saying how we're not going to pray for her, nothing, we're just going to dump her. Upos is like, hey, now I'm not losing my job or going to prison for this whole thing. So they went and dumped the body. Now Untutuko is feeling bad, saying, dude, just dump the person, the poor girl there. What kind of people are we? Now Potsotso realizes, oh my word, we didn't think about the DNA. We didn't think about CCTV footage. There's a CCTV footage, they're going to see Mpumi going in, but they won't see her going out. Oh my god, now they're concerned. And Potsotso was going on, the DNA on the bag, I'm just going to throw it in the river, blah, blah, blah. Now they've got real problems. CCTV footage will show Mpumi coming in, but not going out. And then Divet tells Ugasa that he's been put back into his father's will. So now he's going to inherit the farm. He's got his portion of the farm. Now Divet says he just wants to do just wants to do a Christian wedding. Because Ugasa is saying, why don't you go pay Lowalas? No, Sidi's family is not like that. They're not traditional. We're just going to have a Christian wedding. And then Kidiwan Kamulo Mumuntele goes and tells Sidi Hori, Divet has gotten back into the wheels, so Otto inherit the farm. Tiri is excited, but she's like, how are you excited when this man thinks you are dying? When I'm also Ashwa, you are not even part of his plans. You need to tell Divet the truth, Claire. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.